Yes, welcome back to this tutorial. My name is Ivan Evans, and today we are discussing the second type of operators called arithmetic operators. So the word arithmetic itself means these symbols of operations, math operators. So in this tutorial we are probably looking at the normal math operators, the plus, minus. So let me list them. We're looking at plus, minus, division, we are looking at modulus, yeah, what else? Then we have multiplication. So these are the operators we're going to discuss, and arithmetic operators, and then we'll further go into C++ and write these operators programs regarding them. So the first one is addition operator, which is the plus, and this returns sum of two numbers or variables. So in this case we're not calling them numbers, we are using the term variables to mean that. So if we had x as 3 and y as 4, then x plus y would simply be 7, 8, like this. Okay, so you can comment out this. So then next we have the minus operator, which is, if we bring our minus here, then the answer would simply be 0. Okay, now the most challenging part is this one, for division. This division, let me separate our comments from the variables. Now this division you see here, if you declare your variables as int like this, and you do this division, it gives a whole number. Even if it's a point, like you're rounding off, it will automatically give you a whole number. Okay, so in this case let's use something different. You can say 5 and 4, and then here you would expect the answer to be maybe something like 1.2, okay, 5, like that. So you would expect the answer here to be 1. Let's say we used int. Okay, so if you get 5 by 4, then you would expect the answer to be 1.5 like this, 1.25 like this, but that's not the answer. The answer becomes 1. So why? We said integers take everything to be whole number, so they will simply round off your answer here to the nearest whole number, which is 1, and then it will end up becoming 1. Okay, so if you really want to do this arithmetic division, then you got to be careful with which data type you're handling. In this case, if you're getting 5 by 4 and you want a number in decimals, then simply change this one to be float. Alright, you get that? We got the next one, which is modulus. So I'm gonna copy this one still, because this one also be there. So now if we have int x as 5 and y as 4, then instead here we're using modulus, not division, then automatically this one returns the answer as 1. Why? The modulus returns a remainder as the answer. So what we do is we get 5 divided by 4, which is 1, remainder 1, and then we write the remainder here as the answer. Alright, now if we come to this and we are getting 5 by Okay, we're getting x by y. X is 4 and y is 4. So they get 4 divided by 4, which is 1, and remainder 0 as the answer. So that's how the modulus does its thing. It will return the remainder as the answer, not the actual answer of that operation. Okay, next is let me write this one here like that. Okay, the next is this one, which is multiplication, and then if you call this one like this. So if we have x by 5 and this returns a product which will be 4 times 4, and that's 16 as the answer. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this line of code. We're going to a dev because I'm very lazy with typing. So like this. So we are saying x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4. Let's use 5 for this sake, because I want us to already see what happens. Okay, now here we are printing addition. The next line, copy this, 2, 3, 4, 5. So addition, this is division. The next one is subtraction. The next one is multiplication. Multiply, I want to write that. Then modulus. Then next, I think we can use float div like this. Okay, now we want kind of a new line here, new line here, new line here, new line here, and then new line here. So slash n simply means that before you print the next line, break the next statement, you're gonna print onto a new line. It's like hitting enter in any Microsoft Word if you want to go to the next line. So here we are getting x plus y, then division, it is x of y, then subtraction, it is x minus y, then multiplication is x star y, and modulus, it is x percentage y. Then this one should be away because we don't need this. Okay, so if we run this and it has no error, then this is the answer. Addition is 9, that is 5 plus 4, which is 9. Division is 1. Ooh, this is funny. If you get 5 out of 4, you can't get 1. But what's the error? Is that we declared this one as int. Oh, sorry. So if you declare it as int, then automatically it will return an integer answer. Let's first finish this. Then the next subtraction is also 1, meaning that if you get 5 minus 4, then we get 1. Next is multiplication, 25 times 4, that's 20. And then modulus, the answer is 1 because we are getting 5 divided by 4, which is 1 remainder 1, and then the remainder is this that is returned. Okay, now that we have changed this one to float, let's run this one again, and you see now we have an error whenever we change this one to float. Why? We don't apply modulus on floats. So floats do not accept modulus. That's why they are saying we cannot convert or apply a modulus on float to float. So we got to comment out this one like this. Oh, excuse me. This one is out. Perhaps it forgive my guess. So this is out. We run it again. Then this one becomes 1.5 1.25. Why?